What is police management? Welcome to Doc's CJ FAQs. Today we are going to answer the question, what does police management mean? Police management refers to the planning, organizing, directing, and controlling of police resources and personnel to ensure effective and efficient law enforcement operations. First and foremost, planning is like creating a roadmap for the police department. Leaders decide what needs to be done and how to do it. This includes setting goals, whether they're about reducing crime rates or improving community relations. Once goals are set, a detailed plan is crafted to reach them. Importantly, this plan should be flexible. After all, things can change quickly, and the department needs to adapt. Next, we have organizing. After planning, the police department figures out what resources it needs to meet its goals. Resources can include things like money, equipment, and above all, personnel. Then, the department assigns specific tasks to teams or individuals. Both material and human resources are allocated to where they will be most effective. Directing involves making the plans and organization come to life. This is where leaders step in to guide their teams. They give orders, offer support, and ensure that everyone is moving in the same direction. Accordingly, effective communication is crucial during this phase. Leaders not only give instructions, but also listen to feedback from their officers. Lastly, controlling is about making sure things are going as planned. This involves monitoring performance and making adjustments if needed. If the police are not meeting their goals, then it's time to figure out why and make changes. Afterward, the cycle goes back to planning, and the process starts all over again. Several key concepts are essential in police management. Accountability is a cornerstone of effective police management. Both officers and leaders must take responsibility for their actions, whether it's during an arrest or in daily administrative tasks. Community policing is a vital strategy in modern law enforcement. It's not only about patrolling neighborhoods and enforcing laws, but also about building meaningful relationships with community members. When police engage positively with the public, it fosters trust and cooperation. Operational efficiency is crucial. This concept revolves around accomplishing tasks effectively while using as few resources as possible. Operational efficiency is not about cutting corners, it's about optimizing processes. Strategic management goes beyond daily tasks. It's about aligning operations with the long-term mission and vision. This involves setting overarching goals, developing policies, and making resource allocation decisions that will drive the department toward its objectives. Effective police management is essential for many reasons. First, it helps maintain public safety, which is the main goal of any police department. Efficient management also helps use taxpayer money wisely. If the department is well managed, then it can do its job without wasting resources. Good management practices can improve the morale of the police force, making it a better workplace. Despite its importance, managing a police department is a monumental task that comes with a unique set of challenges. One of the most pressing issues is often limited resources. Police departments operate on budgets that may not adequately cover the range of responsibilities they have. From patrolling neighborhoods to investigating complex crimes and engaging in community outreach, the scope of police work is vast. Additionally, there's the constant pressure to meet high public expectations. The community expects the police to be efficient, transparent, just, and quick to respond. Balancing these expectations against the reality of limited resources creates a stressful and often challenging environment for police leaders. Another layer of complexity is the rapid changes in laws and technologies that police departments must navigate. New laws can significantly alter procedures, requiring quick adjustments and retraining for the entire force. The introduction of new technologies, such as body cameras or predictive policing software, also demands that officers and leaders adapt quickly. In conclusion, police management is not just about enforcing laws. It's about doing so in a way that is effective, efficient, and fair. Good management practices help police departments serve their communities better. They make sure that officers are well-trained, resources are used wisely, and above all, that the public is safe. Thank you for watching Doc's CJ FAQs. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the criminal justice system. See you next time.